production line, supervision is crucial to achieving the best performance levels with your GDM line. Losses measurement system. Identification of waste type and parameters for performance tracking. Embedded sensors to control the production line. Data mining system to collect data and losses. Root cause analysis. Control parameter definition to identify root causes of waste. Identification of top causes by waste category. Corrective action plans. Top cause analysis to identify most effective solutions. Training for technicians on root cause analysis method.